Congress is afraid of the probe, which is now underway with regard to Sushant Singh Rajput's death case. The many names are coming out, and many angles have been traced in this case during the investigation, and a majority of the people who are involved are getting called by the police or investigating authorities. They either earlier supported Congress party or with them. So therefore, the Congress leaders are worried about their being getting exposed, and their losing the base, and then their base in the filmdom getting eroded. So therefore, the Congress leaders are making the statement that in view of the Bihar poll, Sushant Singh Rajput's case is being used. I don't think the Bihar poll has anything to do with the investigation. In fact, the NCB is looking in an angle, in a different angle, because from where they see the after all, those people who are called are consumers basically. So therefore, from where they are getting it, how they are getting it is not only the Bollywood, it is other parts of the country which are being now trapped, and which is being exposed, like Chennai in Karnataka, and also in two Telugu states, the involvement of certain people being questioned earlier by NCB. So all these things is a larger conspiracy is there. It has to get exposed. However, one has to think that the death of Sushant Singh Rajput should not be politicized. But unfortunately, it is being politicized, especially by Shiva Sena and the Congress party, being afraid of their people getting involvement in this case. So therefore, Adhirnath Chaudhary, who is the leader of the Congress party in Parliament, is jerky and shaky. So therefore, he is trying to mislead the people by telling the Sushant Singh Rajput case is being only rigged up only for Bihar politics. That is not so. It is for truth should come out. So therefore, the investigation officers, the political parties like BJP or the government of India or the government of Bihar has no role in the investigation. The investigation is independently should be allowed to take its own course in the Sushant Singh Rajput's death case. Now after the gold scam, Kerala is now hit by the housing scam, a violation of FERA, and now the CBI and other investigating agents have stepped in to investigate these matters. Now, one after the other, Kerala government, which claims in itself to be a very honest government, it has been exposed that it is one of the corrupt government in the country. This gold scam, it's linked with PFI, it's linked with terrorist organizations, it's linked with the ministers of the LDF who are presently in the ruling in Congress, in the Kerala state, and then now the housing scam is coming up. So all these things shows that the LDF has been practicing corrupt practices in Kerala. So therefore, the probe should also expose them, and those who are being named in this probe, if they are ministers or in the public representatives post, they must resign and allow the investigation to run smoothly. The West Bengal government has been misleading the people on several fronts with regard to the several schemes of the central government in their state. The West Bengal government is in confrontation with the governor and trying to mislead the people with regard to the Bharatiya Janata Party's leaders' role in the state's political atmosphere. But now the West Bengal government is trying to divert the central government funds which has been given to them, even under the PM Care Fund, to divert it to the elections purposes. So therefore, the Trinamool Congress is on all possibility is trying to misuse the funds of central government and may use for the electoral purpose. That's what the Bharatiya Janata Party leaders have been maintaining, and it is quite possible because of the attitude of the Trinamool Congress leaders and especially Mamata Banerjee. how she is non-cooperative with the central government schemes, with the central government not allowing those schemes and those benefits to reach the people of West Bengal. And now the same way, the funds which is being allotted to West Bengal may definitely be used for their political purposes and not for the welfare of the people.